Wow, Dora and Boots and Cerise and Diego, and Baby Jaguar are all in an adventure race, and they need to get to the big pyramid at the end of the rainforest to win the race in time in 5 whole seconds. To get to the big pyramid, the end of the rainforest. First, you have to go through the rainy desert, that's full of rain, and try not to get wet. Then, you have to go down the really fast river. And that's how you'll get to the big pyramid at the end of the rainforest to win the adventure race in time. Just remember. Desert, river, rainforest. Repeat it with me. Desert, river, rainforest. 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 Desert, river, rainforest.
How do we get to the big pyramid at the end of the rainforest? Desert, river, rainforest. Where do we go first?